REDISA helped me like create jobs for myself, like, and for the driver and the guy that helps me load. So every day when they wake up, they coming to work. Not to wake up and like previously you wake up, am I gonna have work today? I've got a job, I've got my own business, what I didn't have before. I've got my own vehicle that I collect the tires from. So I've got something out, like joining the REDISA family, I've achieved something.
Since starting, I saw a lot of people doing more waste than just tires. You know, they do plastic, cardboard, foam, that kind of stuff. So there is a demand, because where does all the stuff go to? In the past, I didn't take much notice of the environment. Since starting with REDISA, I'm more aware of my surroundings, about waste, stuff like that. So the most important thing is obviously to save our world, our environment, for our future generations coming. So.
Research and development, it's a very important thing. But with tires, like tires are just being disposed all over the country, all over the world. So it's important that we have innovative ideas to minimize the effects that they have on the environment. So we are trying to, if maybe people can put more effort on recycling of tires, we can have interesting ideas.
Right now we have a lot of waste being produced from all sectors in industry, and the circular economy helps take all this waste and derive valuable products or even useful products for other processes throughout, and makes it a circular process basically. The research and development enables people to progress with this technology and come up with new technologies and patents much faster than what they would without the research and development. There's a science behind it, and that's what the research is all about.
The project that I'm studying with REDISA looks into the possibility to use microbes to recycle and reuse rubber. It's a kind of microbial devulcanization which looks to break down the sulfur bonds in the rubber, essentially unbake the cake, and get it back as close as we can get it to the raw rubber that would come from trees or from crude oil. I believe that the research that we're doing at the moment has the potential to find either new uses for those tires, or, as in the case with my project, the potential to break down those tires into building blocks that we can then reuse back into new tires, creating more of a cycle where at the moment tires just end up in rubbish heaps, unfortunately.
REDISA has changed the way I think about waste, because as much as I studied environmental management, it was all theory to me, so I had never seen these things happening. So when I got to become part of the REDISA family, I got to understand now the things that when you mean wasting to worth, what that really entails, you know.
As an intern, obviously coming from straight out of the institution, tertiary qualification, I did not have that working skills ability. So therefore the internship basically bridged the gap for me. Coming from a community where you pass waste fields on a daily basis, because it allows you to think outside the box on what you can contribute to your community and the people that you can get involved within your community.
It showed me my responsibility as a person and as a mother on what I need to do in order to ensure that the next generation has an opportunity to live in a clean environment. Waste is an opportunity to do better. Waste it's two-folded. It has a potential to destroy and also has a potential to build. So you need, as a person, to know your responsibility, and you need to identify opportunities.